Hey, I just moved out of my apartment a week ago, and the landlord hasn't given me my security deposit back yet. How much time legally does he have to give me my security deposit back? Hello. I've been asked that question so many times over the years, and I've answered it for several people, and I'm going to answer it for you in just a moment. I'm Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California, and I'm also a certified property manager. So I want to let you know how much time a landlord has before he has to give you your security deposit back. Here's the answer. The landlord has 21 calendar days in order to give you your security deposit back before you can take any legal action against him for not giving your deposit back. Now, it's real important to keep this in mind, that a landlord can use part of your security deposit for certain things, if justified. They could use it for past due rent. They could use part of the security deposit for repairing things in the unit that were damaged. The exception is normal wear and tear. The landlord cannot take parts of your security deposit for normal wear and tear. Now, let's talk about the importance of having a lease agreement or rental agreement. A lease and or rental agreement is designed to protect you, the tenant, by spelling out all of the terms and the conditions of the lease. This is extremely important. You won't believe how many arguments take place or disputes take place because there was either no rental agreement or lease agreement, or there was a poorly written lease and or written agreement. So keep in mind, as a tenant, you always want to sign a lease agreement when you move into a place, and make sure it covers all of the important things that are important to you. Okay, let's talk about some of the big issues that you should be aware of with the lease agreement. Let's talk about a couple of legal items. Landlords can only charge you 2 months security deposit, if it is a unfurnished dwelling. They could charge you 3 months security deposit if it is a furnished dwelling. Make sure that the lease addresses things like storage, parking, pets, smoking, non-smoking. It is extremely important prior to moving out of the unit to conduct a move-out inspection with the landlord or the landlord's management, and you get that move-out inspection in writing, and you compare that move-out inspection with your move-in inspection. This way you could protect your security deposit. You want to make sure you get all of your money back, and the way you do that is to make sure you conduct a move-in and a move-out inspection. Note all issues at the time when you move in, and when you move out, make sure there aren't any new issues other than normal wear and tear. And under those circumstances, you should be able to get all of your security deposit back. So that's it. 21 calendar days. That's how much time the landlord has to get you your money back. Okay, I'm Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If this video has been beneficial to you, please share it with someone who is a tenant that will find this information useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.